Remember that time when you were in school and asked yourself, why am I studying this? And the time when you grew up and asked yourself, I wish I knew why I was studying what I was studying. Probably happened more than just once, right? Imagine if you were always taught about the application of everything you learned in school. That's exactly what happens at the next stop on our journey to sharper. Applied science. Not so long ago, while defining our sharper philosophy, we thought, what's the most engaging way to sparkle interest of kids in learning? We put our able team of engineers and educators to work together to find an answer. After days and months of research and application, they designed and conceptualized things like science kits, maths kits, SST kits, robotics programming, and coding. Another skill-based programs like visual programming languages, English public speaking, creative writing, reporting. Teaching with an emphasis on real-world applications is what applied science is all about at Orchids. That's all for today. Keep watching this space to know about the next stop on our journey to sharper. See you next time.